Hey everybody, I've been nominated for the push-up challenge. We're on the tail end of it. I think today is day 20 or 21. I'm going to have to do day 6. I forgot day 6, or at least I think I did. I made a YouTube video I made a YouTube vlog of all these days of push-ups that I have gotten in each and every day. If you're interested in checking it out, I'll have the link. I can put the link in the bottom, but I documented it all on YouTube. So, but anyways, it's for a good cause. Suicide awareness. It's okay to not be okay. I just encourage everybody to go out and get help. Something just about me is like a while ago I was having issues, and anxiety was a huge thing, like big time anxiety with my life. And so I ended up going to the doctor, and now I'm on Zoloft, and it takes the edge off, man. It really does, you know. Used to think about just crazy thoughts would get into my head, and and it was just, I didn't like it. So I had talked to a doctor, and taking 50 milligrams of Zoloft, and it does take the edge off. So, you know, it is worth trying to get help for any issues that you might have. But anyways, I'm going to try to do these 25 push-ups. I had decline push-ups last night in my workout. So my arms get worked every day too. So, but anyways, let's try this out this morning. That's